back down here at Coombabah this morning. I'm currently walking up to get my trail camera. See if I can collect any footage. I've left it here for the last 2 weeks. So fingers crossed I catch something on the camera. But yeah, just another early Saturday morning here at Coombabah Conservation Park on the Gold Coast, Australia. It's quite chilly this morning, so I've got my jumper on. Quite cold, to be honest. And yeah, hope everyone's having a great Saturday morning, wherever they are in the world.